In southern Colorado and northern New Mexico, there's a mainline railroad that time has seemingly forgotten, featuring semaphore signals, 1960-era searchlights, and even a wigwag. We're of course talking about the BNSF's Raton and Glorieta subdivisions, home to Amtrak's Southwest Chief, and you'll see it all in Semaphores, Searchlights, and the Southwest Chief. But there's much more to this line. See action on the Great Plains, Raton Pass, of course the Semaphores, Glorieta Pass, and then on the Albuquerque subdivision of the Rail Runner Express. You'll enjoy great railroading action and even some scenery from the train as we follow Train 3 from La Junta to Albuquerque and number 4 back again. There's lots to see on this fascinating railroad line. Order your copy of Semaphores, Searchlights, and the Southwest Chief today.
To order this program, visit our website at www.a-trains.com. In addition to DVDs, we carry thousands of items, including shirts, hats, clocks, books, and much, much more. To order our print catalog, use the mailing information on the screen or call our toll-free number 800-248-9670.